So if you're new to bass, you just started learning how to play bass and you're finding it difficult to jump from one string to the other string, maybe I'll say you're hopping or maybe jumping from strings, and also you find it difficult for using both hands. In today's lesson, I'll be giving you two powerful exercises to help you concentrate on both hands when using them and also able to jump or hop from one string to the other without any mistakes. Okay, so if you're interested, I recommend you watch this video lesson to the end. But before I start the breakdown, I also do private class lessons for total beginners. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So now let's look at the first exercise. So first of all, let's target this first string, that is your G string. So when you are plucking with your right hand, when you pluck with your first finger, then the other finger plucks on the second note. Okay, on fret 3 to fret 4. Okay, so now we'll be hopping to the next string, that is the string above the G string. So to your D string, you use your third finger to pluck on the note and your fourth finger to pluck on the next note. So you see how it works. Very simple. Dun, 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 dun. You understand? So you do it slow. Okay, so now my metronome is set to 80. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So remember that you're not going to get stuck on this part alone. You will try to move forward. So then switch to the 4th fret. Okay, so you can even start from your 1st fret, then start from the 2nd fret. Remember to use the correct plucking I taught you. You understand? So when you done descend, just like the way you ascended. Okay, so you be started from the 2nd string, that's your D string, wherever you want to start from. Then on the 1st string, your G string. You understand? Okay, so now you have able to master this. Now let's start from the fret 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then you descend. Okay, so this is how you're going to switch from string to string. On my 1st string, 2nd string, then now to my 2nd string, I'll be starting. Continue with the 3rd string. Then now I'll be starting from the 3rd string. Then I continue on the 4th string. Starting from the 4th string, continue on my 5th string. Okay, so remember that we are just using 4 rows to apply this exercise. Okay, so when you master it, try to descend. Okay, when you master this very well, you'll be able to play like this. You see? Okay, so me using these 2 notes on the 1st string and using these 2 notes on the 2nd string. You understand? Okay, for example, let's say we are playing a KG. Okay, when I'm to play, you see, I am able to jump or hop from the 1st string to the 2nd string. So la so fa mi fa so. So la so fa mi, or even mi fa mi do ti, mi fa mi do ti, or mi fa mi re do. It will help you create that flexibility for you to jump from a string to the next string. Okay. You understand? Okay, so now let's look at the second exercise. So now we'll be starting from the first fret, your G string. So your first fret, then the second fret, D string, then now your third fret, your A string, and your fourth fret, your E string. It's just like a line sloping up. You understand? Okay, so this is how you do it. You're not just going to do it this way like this, okay? So it goes like this. When you go up, you come down. Go up. Come down. Go up. Sorry, you go to the next fret. Go down. Next fret. You understand? Then you can do it to the higher note, okay? The fret you started with going up is the same fret you'll be going down with. When you start from your first fret on the first string, you go down with on that same first fret. You understand? So you can start anywhere on the fifth fret. Next. Next. So master this exercise very well, okay? Thank you.